This is the motor. This is the body of valve with one solenoid and other solenoid. And you have a port here, other port here, you have an actuator here, and you have another actuator here. Okay, look at this. This is connected here. And this is the motor. The motor is yellow or blue, no? Those switches in the back are double, double, double. Okay? Those are the switches. I am going to give to you those switches, and the wires. And you have your cutter pliers. And I have here my motor. I have here, I am going to disconnect. In this moment it's working. Yeah, it's working. I am going to disconnect the harness of the boat, and I am going to connect my portable harness with the cables. I have the same cables for the solenoids, green and red. For the motor, blue and yellow. And additionally, I am going to give to you one red power from the battery to bring power for the switches, because on the switch you need power. I'm going to connect one cable right now, power, okay? You have power and you have the 4 cables. Those cables are female, 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 female. I need that you connect all of this and finish in male to connect here. That's clear? Okay guys, finally this is the connection. This is the connection. Jump it for a blue motor, jump it for yellow motor. This is the red solenoid, and this is the green solenoid, and this is the connection. This is the properly wiring. Now the students are doing the wiring. They are doing that connection with the switches. That's it? Okay, great. Congratulations.
That first part is like a fiberglass and metal wire. Yeah, tubing.
Okay, congratulations. Good job. Yeah, the connections are not properly printed. Okay, so
It says they're not heat shrink connected, you know? This is not
no,
heat
it's because you don't print properly.
It's a snap-on. It's not made.